today's video, we're going deep into how to make money online using Claude AI. And not just one or two ideas, but 7 real methods you can start today. Some of these are beginner friendly, some take a bit more effort, but all of them are being used by real people right now to generate income online. So whether you want to side hustle or full online business, this video will give you a complete roadmap. So yeah, let's get started. So first things first, what exactly is Claude AI? Claude AI is actually an advanced AI tool built by Anthropic. It helps you write content, generate ideas, analyze data, and in fact automate tasks. Think of it like a personal assistant that works 24/7, no rest. And the biggest advantage is the fact that it helps you do work faster, so you can actually earn more in less time. Now, heading to the methods you can actually use Claude AI today to start earning online. Number 1 is freelance writing. This is the easiest way to start making money. Obviously, out there, businesses need blog posts, product descriptions. The idea in this particular method of making money online involves you heading to websites like Fiverr or Upwork, and then you want to create a simple gig, more like I will write blog posts, articles, or in fact product descriptions for your business. And then you want to use Claude AI to generate content for this particular gig. You edit it to make it feel more humanized, and then you deliver it to your prospective clients. And then to even make your earnings higher, you can add niches like fitness, finance, or in fact a tech niche, so you can charge higher prices. You can even earn as high as $200 from your particular work. And then the second method in these particular ways of making money online with Claude AI is the popular YouTube automation. This is one of the most scalable methods of using Claude AI. You don't need to show your face. All you need to do is to pick a niche that is a profitable niche, more like motivations, finance, or in fact AI niche. You use Claude to write the YouTube script, and then you add voiceovers with other AI tools out there, and in fact you can use stock footages, and then you upload consistently. There are AI tools out there like InVideo AI and so many other examples out there that all you have to do is to just tell it what you want, or you can in fact insert your script, and then it generates the complete video for you, and all you have to do is to upload directly to YouTube. You enter advertisements, affiliate links, and also sponsorships. Ensure you focus on searchable content, especially as a beginner, for you to actually reach a whole lot of people out there on YouTube. And then moving to the third on today's list is by selling digital products using Claude AI. This is where things get powerful. You create once and then you sell forever, more like a passive income out there. Examples include ebooks, templates, guides, and in fact Notion planners. All you have to do is to pick a topic people actually want, and then you head directly to Claude AI to create the content of this particular digital book. You design it with Canva and you sell directly on Gumroad, Etsy, or in fact Seller. And from there, if you actually make 10 sales and you're selling that particular digital product for about $10, that's automatically about $100 in a single day. This is actually a very powerful method if you can actually optimize it well. And then moving to the fourth method in today's list is freelance services, more like copywriting and then email marketing. There are a whole lot of businesses out there paying a whole lot for sales pages, email sequences, and in fact advertisements. Claude can help you generate persuasive copies, marketing angles, and in fact headlines. Examples include you saying I will write high converting email campaigns for your businesses on websites like Fiverr or in fact Upwork, or the best situation freelance websites out there. And then you can earn as high as about $100 per each activity from a client, and then it's actually something that is way powerful. Moving to the fifth in today's list is by creating and selling prompts. Prompts are very valuable. For example, there are a whole lot of AI tools out there that if you don't know how to use the correct prompts for you to actually generate what you want, you're going to find it a whole lot harder to get that result. And if you learn how to write great prompts, you can actually sell it. And that's where Claude AI comes. Claude AI can help you generate prompts for whatever any business wants. You can actually sell business prompts, content creation prompts, resume, or in fact CV prompts, and you sell it directly on Gumroad, prompt marketplaces, or in fact if you have a website you can actually sell it there. And then for example, you can even be making as high as up to $50 from this prompt you're actually selling. And then moving to the sixth method on how to make money online using Claude AI is by starting a micro agency. Now, this is how you actually scale big. Instead of doing everything yourself, you use cloud, you deliver services faster, and you're able to even take on more clients. Examples of agency ideas includes content writing agency, social media management, SEO, blog writing. All you're doing here is you're finding clients, and then you use Cloud AI to produce the content that can help manage these particular businesses. You deliver it quickly, and then you scale by outsourcing. You can earn as high as $1,000 per month if you're able to optimize this method very well. And then the next method on today's list is social media content creation. You're basically using cloud to grow pages on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter by generating content ideas for your social platforms. You're basically making money through affiliate marketing here, through brand deals, and in fact selling your own created digital products. Cloud helps you generate the post ideas, write captions, create scripts for these particular social platforms. And then you need to understand that before you start, don't just copy AI outputs, always edit them to make it more humanized. Also focus on solving real life problems. This makes it a whole lot easier for you to actually make money with Cloud AI. Ensure you're aiming for problems and not just what you feel like doing. Also stay consistent. This is very key. Start simple and don't overcomplicate things. Most people fail early because they quit too early. So you also want to ensure that you optimize all this method I mentioned. And if you have things to actually clarify or you have questions, feel free to drop it down in the comment section. Let me know and I'm ready to answer your questions no matter what. In addition to all these, you can as well use Cloud AI for a whole lot of things out there that can actually be translated into money online. For example, you can use Cloud AI to design graphics. You can as well use it to certain extent for your video editing tasks. In fact, you can as well use it for your digital products online. You can now create ebooks in few minutes. You can in fact create a complete detailed course that you can start selling online as well using Cloud AI, and also creates templates for different niches, more like businesses, exercise, whatever it might be, in less than 5 minutes. And the best part is the fact that it can even generate the graphics itself, pictures, whatever you want people to engage with inside this digital product, and you can start selling them online. And several other tasks out there that you can actually optimize Cloud AI with. So feel free to head to the site right now, Claude.ai, head there, sign up and start experimenting on several means online. And trust me, you would not regret it, as Cloud AI is so powerful and it keeps increasing in terms of its power every single day. So make sure to go there right now and sign up, and also feel free, like I said, to drop down comments or suggestions or things you would also like to understand more about Cloud AI. And thanks for watching once again, and I will see you guys in our next highly informative video.